Hey guys, welcome to Tech Brew. So I've been using these budget gaming earbuds for over a week now, and I want to give you guys my review and my opinions about them. So these gaming earbuds cost just under $40, and you can go ahead and buy them on Amazon, sold by a company called Home Monthrise. Now, one of my favorite features about these earbuds is going to be that USB-A port that you see, as that USB-A port allows you to easily charge other devices you may have, and you can actually use these earbuds as a mini power bank. Now, they also have USB-C, and that's how you're going to be able to actually charge the earbuds case itself, and it's really nice to have USB-C on a more budget device like these. You'll also see that there's a display on the inside that'll basically tell you the charging percentage of the earbuds case itself, and it is nice to have that display also, as it really makes it easy to see the charging percentage. Now, sound quality is something that is really important for many people. I know for myself it is really important, and surprisingly these earbuds, while they just cost under $40, they have really good sound quality, especially if you're going to be playing games. It's really easy to hear sounds that are around you when you're playing games. Now, they do also have a music mode if you're going to listen to music, and that's going to optimize them for better sound quality, but the game mode is going to basically work to bring the best possible latency, so the lowest possible latency. To switch between the two modes, all you have to do is double tap when they're in their pairing mode, so when they're flashing red and blue, so it's really easy to switch between them whenever you like. Now, on the right earbud, if you actually triple tap, you'll be able to bring the volume up, and you can also double tap to skip forward to the next track, and single tapping on the right earbud again will just pause your music when they are actually connected to a device. On the left earbud, it is kind of the same thing, so triple tapping will basically bring down the volume. If you basically double tap, it'll go back a track, and if you single tap again, it'll pause music for you, so it is really nice to have all these features on both of the earbuds. You can also use the right earbud independently of the left one, so you don't really need to use both of them at the same time, but you can only use the right one individually if you'd like. I really do think that these are a solid pair of gaming earbuds, and if you are looking for a pair that'll last you really long in terms of battery life, these easily do last 2 weeks, so I really think that these are one of the best pairs you can get for a budget price. I hope you guys liked today's video, but yeah, that's it for today's video.